Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's time to unboxing my latest donations. And starting right up, the first one is from my friend Ivo Pontes from the Teleponte shop. And as you can see, it's a Nintendo Wii. First view looks like a complete set with the two controllers, all the cables, and of course, the console itself. The console looks really good, in good shape, with no broken parts. And for the final, to complete the set, we have this WII game. So once again, thank you Ivo. And the next couple offers is from my friends from the Xbox Original Portugal Facebook group. They sent me a bunch of stuff, starting with this nice original Xbox controller. Next is the first big box, one of them. And looks like we got two original Xbox. Well, this one at least part of an Xbox original. This second one looks a little better, at least 100% complete. Next is the second big box. Let's open it up and see what we got. Right on the top we got another Xbox original. You can see it is missing the CD drive, but nothing too serious. You can see and we can test it out later. And in this bag, looks like we got a bunch of Xbox original demos. Next, we got another but a little bit smaller package. Let's open it up. And we got not one, not two, but three more as controllers. Really nice and all in good shape. Next, it's time for another big package, and for the shape I can assume it's another, not one but two more Xbox originals. Let's open it up and see what it is. And I wasn't wrong, two more Xboxes, fully complete, also in good shape, really nice. And for the final, we have another massive box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. And well, in this box it's full of 360 parts and also Xbox original parts, so it's always good to have some spare parts laying around. So let me thanks again to the all Xbox Original Portugal friends for this huge donation. So once again, thank you all for these amazing donations. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.